Oh, I think if I could offer anybody any sort of career advice right now, it would be go get educated and learn and trained in being a quote unquote prompt engineer. I think it is currently a very very hot skill to learn right now. I think there's a lot of what you would call red hot jobs available, high paying jobs that are available for prompt engineers. It's one of those things that I think if you are looking for people that, I struggle sometimes with the questions to ask, right? But when you think about the the way that prompt engineers think about the interaction with large language models, to me it's a little bit like in some ways a little bit like advanced version of if then else logic, right? And I think there are over 20 plus sort of master commands now that you use, and the permutations are almost boundless, right? And I think that the key is the process behind designing and optimizing prompts for through these AI language models, and such as Chat GPT, just like we just talked about. And I think the ability to generate high quality responses and intelligence is a critical skill now. And I think again, a little bit, the thing on the dark side says, though, this is also where criminals can are prompt engineers as well, right? And so how do we protect ourselves against that?